NoMoreNoobie here. I've had a request to make a colour overflow video so you get effects like this, so let's get straight into it. If you're a PS4 player and want to learn how to make awesome gaming videos using Sharefactory, plus learn how to do more on YouTube and other PS4 related stuff, then this is the channel for you. So please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos like this. Okay, so the request for this effect came in from somebody who wanted to make a unique effect for one of their montage clips, and I think that's where this fits. I don't think you'd do this for too long, but in a montage would absolutely be fine. So let's get into it. So we go to New Project, choose any theme, get rid of all of these ticks apart from one. We don't need to rename it at this stage, and then we just need to find the clip that we want to add this to. So what we're going to do is just choose one of these clips where I've just literally just landed on an island and had a little bit of a runabout, just purely to show this kind of effect. So we're going to use this one here, and we just click cross and then square to add the clips, and then we just get rid of this little bit at the beginning here to get rid of that. Okay, so this is the clip that we're going to use. So if you saw my video on how to add quality of your video, then you'll be familiar with the next step. So what we do is go to add filter, and then we go to saturate, and that just gives a little bit more of a pop of the color, which is a really nice effect, and that's quite a useful thing to watch. So if you do check out that other video if you want to look into that a bit more. Then what we do is we push the options button on the controller and we click on export to gallery, and that will just export it. We go to share later, and then what we want to do is come out, save project or an exit, or exit without saving, and then we just go across to a new project again, choose your theme, and we just repeat the process that we've just gone through. So we go to continue and we go in to choose a clip, and we want to find the clip that we've just exported. So we can go to most recent, and then there it is, the most recent one we've exported is there. So we just click on that with the cross and then square to add the clip. Okay, then we get rid of this little bit at the beginning again, and then there it is, that's it exported. And then once we've done that, we want to go to add filter and saturate, and you see it gives again another pop of color, and we're pretty much just repeating that process a couple of times. So I'm going to speed it up now. I'm just going to go through that process one more time. Okay, so it's up to you how many times you want to repeat this process. I would suggest maybe 3 to 4 times would be about right. So we'll do it one more time on here just to see how it looks, and what we can do is once you've got it how you want it, then you just save the project and you can add it to your montage. So let's get into the shout out of the day, and today's shout out goes to J Dude. So J Dude has been commenting on my videos, which is absolutely amazing. Please do check out J Dude's channel, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing. Okay, so we're going to finish off here. We're just going to export it to gallery, and then that will be the end of that, and you can then just add it to your montage. So I hope this has helped, and if it has, please do hit the like button and do consider subscribing if you haven't already. So thanks for watching. Please do check out all my other Sharefactory videos, lots of ideas on there, and thanks.